For this installation, we will be using a hex key sizes 3 and 6 and a screwdriver. First, we loosen the 4 hex screws from the bottom of the plastic cover. We can then loosen the 3 screws which are holding the motor. After that, pull out 2 of these screws completely, leaving the 3rd one in the frame so that the motor does not fall on the ground. Now we tip the motor to get access to the connectors. First, to install the SpeedBox, we must disconnect these 2 connectors. Then we connect the SpeedBox to the original connectors. Before we put everything back to its original state, we check the SpeedBox functions by turning on the bike and clicking on the light button. When 9 is displayed in kilometers mode, this means that the SpeedBox is turned on, and when 2 is displayed, the SpeedBox is turned off. If lights are installed on your bike, you can control the SpeedBox by using the arrows. When using the miles mode, 6 means that the SpeedBox is turned on and 1 is turned off. We can then put SpeedBox back inside the frame with all the cabling, making sure none of the wires are damaged by the reinstallation of the hex screws. We put the screws back, making sure not to over tighten them. Finally, we screw back the motor cover using the 4 screws.